Hello guys, welcome back. This is Kay here for After Effects tutorial channel, and pay attention for another very exciting tutorial: how to create the character eye VFX sci-fi on live action footage by mask tracking. Let's start. First, go to After Effects, create a new composition from footage, go to desktop, select your footage. There is the footage. Go to fit your screen and then double click, import the picture of the sci-fi effects. In next tutorial, how to create motion of these effects. So let's masking. Select your footage and press S, scale down the size and move it to center of the eye, and press T, down the opacity of the picture and press S for scale down, move it here. Looking good. So now need a little bit more bigger. Okay, press T, down the opacity, select the picture, right click, pre-compose, move all attributes, and right here sci-fi eye, press enter and mask. And now double click, select the image and change the opacity, move the anchor point to center point of the effect here, and go to main shot, press MMM, little bit feather, and press Ctrl, little bit expansion. Looking good. Select again, need more expansion. Good. And now time to create the shadow. How to create the shadow? Create another new solid, select the color and right here eye shadow, press enter, turn off the layer and select the mask from this point. Need one more mask. Start from here, there, and like this. Turn on the mask and press M. There we have two masks. Select the second mask, subtract, and press MM, the first mask, create a feather. Expansion from here. Press T, down the opacity for the looking realistic, because this layer is for the eye shadow, and select the eye shadow, select both Before selecting both, select this one, come to from start, from here, move the sci-fi layer down, press Ctrl Alt Home, press T, down the opacity, move down, press M, turn on the mask path, press page down, move again. Before moving, press P for the position, press M for the mouse pad, move it here, move again, move the mouse pad like this, move again, go back to main shot, move here, and move here. Page down for more, moving your keyframes, page down, here control your path like this. Okay, let's animate the picture. Double click on sci-fi eye composition, and then press R from the start rotation, go to 1 second, Press W for the rotate. Press T for the opacity, full opacity. Stopwatch the opacity. And now time to control the eye shadow. Press P for the position, stopwatch. Press N for the mask. Turn on the mask path and turn on the layer and move the layer down like this. Press T for opacity. Okay. Select Ctrl Alt Home. Move the anchor point to center of the layer. Move it here. Let's animate the opacity of the mask. Stopwatch. Come to here. Press N. Change the fader. Good. Okay guys, select all of these two layers and right click, recompose, move all attributes. Right here, mask, mask VFX. Press enter and go to effects and presets. Use the shine effect, trap code shine. Drop here and zoom in. Select the point, move here and change the color. Change the color, sprite, and the length light. Change this one color to bright blue and this one to blue. Play now. Go to shimmer and amount. Thank you guys for watching. This was about the VFX sci-fi effect on the live action footage. Don't forget, like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.